Hello guys, welcome back to the Hungry Hikers. We're gonna camp in the Chichester area. We are arriving at the dam. The dam was built in the 1920s and it provides water for the Hunter Valley. Now we are going to go to the Chichester State Forest and see if we can find our campsite. Hey, we just saw the Chichester Logging Museum. Let's go check it out. This is the end of the road. It can't cross the river. Let's go. There's lots of four-wheel drivers. Let's see if we can find a nice spot. We have arrived at the campsite. Now we're gonna make the tent. Okay guys, we are collecting some wood for the fire later. Big shout out to our first YouTube channel sponsor, Beaver Crafts. It's good to have you on board. To get some fresh water and make dinner. Had a great dinner. Now it's time for movie night. Good morning guys. The river was great last night. It was rushing through. The sound was very nice. I had a good sleep. Time to get up, start the fire maybe, and eat some breakfast. After a short hike, we made it back to the car. It was a wonderful experience here in the Chichester forest. Please like and subscribe, and happy Australia Day, mates.